How to fix gpedit.msc. Not found on Windows. 1. For Windows 10s or home users, upgrade to Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise. 2. Copy Windows 10 Pros group policy users, and gpedit.msc, then save mnc:\windows/syswow64. 3. Run gpedit_enabler.bat. File below, as admin. Code, at echo off boost %dp0dir/b% system root %\servicing \packages \Microsoft Windows group Alyssa client tech tensions package 3star.mumlist.txt. dir/b% system root %\servicing \packages \Microsoft Windows group Alyssa client tools package 3star.mumlist.txt /f%in, finster/I. List.txt 2 null, dudism/online/no or start/add package %system root %\servicing \packages %% I pause.